Today we're going to look at folding at home. Now I won't be able to explain this as eloquently as the people that made this, but to me it's harnessing the power of your computer, your CPU and your GPU to solve real problems with regards to diseases. So let's set this up on the computer and see how it works. We're going to go to the foldingathome.org website. From there, we're going to take just a quick look at it. And when we're ready, we're going to click on Join the Fold. From there, we're going to click on the Windows installer and let it download. Once it's done, depending on your browser, we could just click on it in the bottom left or go to the downloads folder and run the program. Now, you're going to click next. We're going to agree. We're going to do an express install. Once that's done, we can actually start the folding at home process. So it's going to bring up a website and it's going to give us options to either fold as anonymous or set up an identity to track your points. So let's start folding, and it's going to take a look at your computer and look at the GPUs and the CPUs in there, and we're going to pick a cause to fight for. So I'm going to pick cancer. If there's any chance that this cures any disease for any person, I am completely on board with this. We're going to very briefly look at the configuration tabs. This is to provide awareness if you want to dive a little bit deeper into this. Next, we're going to take a quick look at the preferences. We're going to cancel out. We're going to enlarge the screen or expand it. We're going to take a look at the status, the system info, and the log. We're also going to take a quick look at the viewer, which can be opened up with the viewer in about the top right by clicking viewer, or one of the icons on the bottom that I set up previously. If you click the light preserver, it's going to show you the help. Now, I don't understand everything that's going on. I understand the general premise of what it's supposed to do, but I don't know exactly what it is we're looking for with regards to keeping ourselves updated. You can support any disease, or you can specifically select one. I do highly recommend going to the foldingathome.org site to get more information. If you want to stop the process for whatever reason, we're going to actually go to the site. We're going to click Stop Folding and then click Stop Now. I didn't see a way to uninstall it, so I'm going to go to appwiz.cpl, which will pull up the uninstall the program. So we're going to select the program, uninstall it, and click yes. And we're going to remove all the data. Click OK. Then close. And now it's been uninstalled from your system. Now, I myself need to do more research about this, but I just wanted to give you some exposure to see what else is out there besides mining crypto. Thank you so much for watching.